Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor Diri of Bayelsa State says his administration has never interfered with local government funds in the state, but rather has intervened when necessary with financial assistance to ensure the effective functioning of the third tier of government. Senator Diri, who made the remarks last week when he received in audience the former governor of Delta State, Chief James Ibori, at the government house in Yenagoa, was reacting to claims in certain quarters that state governors were misappropriating local government funds. He insisted that neither Bayelsa nor any other states in the Niger Delta region are engaged in pilfering the funds of local governments.
Decades after establishing local government system in the governance of Nigeria, several issues around their creation and operations remain contentious. Several factors, including political, ethnic, economic, and legal, often contribute to these complexities. However, the most contentious issue is the management of the funds of this crucial tier of government. Just recently, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi SAN, responded to calls for complete autonomy of local governments by filing a suit at the Supreme Court on behalf of the federal government. He is challenging the management of local government funds by governors and seeking a court order to prevent state governors from unilaterally dissolving democratically elected local government executives and replacing them with caretaker or transition committees. Responding to the issue, Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri stated that neither his state nor any other Niger Delta state tampers with local government resources. Instead, they are supplementing the allocations of the local councils to ensure their effective functioning.
If you are talking about governors who are dipping hands in the local government areas, not in Bayelsa, and I'm sure not in the south of Nigeria. Here in my state, we came, we saw the local governments, some were even unable to pay salaries, and we brought out measures. Today, those local governments not only pay salaries, they are even into infrastructural development.
He went on to criticize the current local government structure in Nigeria.
Having created local governments from the military era and giving some states excessive local governments and other states very low local governments. And you now want to give direct money to those oppressive and unjustifiable local government areas. For us, it's injustice.
Senator Diri emphasized that since state houses of assembly are constitutionally responsible for making laws for local governments, they should determine the number of local governments within their states. His guest, former Delta State Governor Chief James Ibori, who championed resource control and fiscal federalism for the Niger Delta as governor from 1999 to 2007, praised Senator Diri for his impressive performance in office over the past 4 years.
The whole place is so different. It has changed. So I want to pray and encourage you to continue to perform in excellence. You did very well, so that's why they give you another mandate. And we are praying for you. At this mandate, you also excel beyond what you've already done.
Inside the Niger Delta,